Hello, and today I'll be teaching you how to make the PPsh. There'll be several parts, so yeah, it's got, as you can see, an extendable magazine. When you pull that back, falls out. That needs to be fixed. As you can probably see from the last video, that did work in the last video, but it's broken now. Yeah, and the obvious things you'll need is paper, and lots of it. Probably not that much, but you'll need quite a bit. And a load of sellotape. Only one roll, but not like a half roll. Oh, isn't it? You can use half roll in the book, which to let your sellotape rest on. Unless, of course, you've got one of them. I don't know what they're called. Other ones. And you get a piece of scrap paper, or any piece of paper, and then all the bits of sellotape which if you take off wrong, you can just slap onto a piece of paper. You put all your rubbish around there too. That's what I do anyway. It stops you having sticky bits of sellotape everywhere. Then you're gonna need, and look, this is a bit flimsy, but it's tough. So you need a relatively tough one because you've been rolling and modelling on it. So alright. First of all, you need to get a piece of paper and roll it up. Needs to be around that size, relatively big compared to the others. Just big enough for your finger to fit through, but not the joint. Providing you've got stick fingers. But if you've got normal fingers, then yeah, just big enough for your finger to fit through. You get a bit of sellotape. And then stick it on. The sellotape that I'm getting, if you haven't got one of them things, you can just pull it straight off. I've got lots and lots of them all lined up. From there, so yeah. Need to put it in the middle. A bit on that bit there, that bit, two there, then two there. And once you've done that, if you want to strengthen it up, you just, if I get this thing off. That's fair, we need to get bits of rubbishy bits at the end bit. And stick it on there. And I can throw it away at the end, so stop the bits from sticky bits everywhere. You can get 2 really small bits. Then you put it on the side like that. Fold the inside bit, stick half it on the inside, and fold the other half over onto the outside. Therefore then that stops all the little, like, all the other rolls of the tube all falling out. Now I'm going to quickly do it on the side. And you need another 3 of these. They all need to be the same size. More nearer to the same size they all are, the more better. The 4 bits of paper, 4 tubes are there, that's 2, there, and then another one across there. They're not all the bits, they're not all the tubes we're going to need. There's that one there, on there. They are optional, but I choose to do them. There's 2 there, plus 4 bits of paper, and then 3 there. But for now, we only need 4. Right then. First off, you need to get the 2 which are the most, like, similar, of the same size. We need to stick them together. Also, the 2 you need to pick, they have to be like that, because they're going to be blowing both sides. So they're the same-ish. Just get biggish piece of sellotape. And roll it round. Oops. If you want to strengthen it, you can always put more bits on. So then it's, instead of having 2 small ones, you then got 1 big one. You should have 1 big one and 2 small ones. The big one should be straight all the way through it, so that you can blow things out of it. Right. And for the final bit of this part, you need to pick the best parts, the most sturdiest. That's then going to be the bit you blow, and then go about, it's the first tube, go about just over halfway. This bit here is going to cut off a bit more if you want to make it more shorter or more longer. I got a bit more longer than this one. Right then. So you I'd say all little bits for the parts. So see you in part 2.